The QiYi WuQue M is widely considered to be the best 4x4 on the market by a wide margin, and has been challenged by very few competitors for the past couple years it's been on the market. Recently, QiYi released a new mini version of the puzzle, and I'm just going to say it up front, it doesn't really match the performance of the full-size version. Out of the box, the magnetic version of this puzzle was really tight, catchy, and somewhat sluggish even after some break-in solves, so I loosened the tensions and lubed the key with Traxxas 50K, and it still wasn't really meeting my expectations. I tried the spring compression mod, which did really help with the sluggishness I was experiencing out of the box. The outer layers on this cube are now nice and quick, and the inner layers are decently fast and controllable. This cube has a nice crisp, smooth feeling that is similar to the feel of the regular WuQue. The feel is complemented by the great magnet strength, which is balanced and doesn't have an overly clicky or unnoticeable feel like some other mass-produced magnetic cubes. This causes for 3x3 stage to be pleasant, and the inner layers only move when they should. Up until this point, this cube might seem like a great alternative to other flagship 4x4s on the market for those who prefer a smaller size, but it also has some serious issues you might want to consider, one of which being popping. Popping is a problem rarely found on cubes these days, yet with this cube, even on tighter tensions, internal pieces can dislodge, adding several seconds to a solve, and those happen once every 50 to 100 solves or so. To avoid this, I tightened the tensions a bit, but with reduced popping came objectively inferior corner cutting, doing just over a piece on the outer layers and half a QiYi on the inners. Another issue this cube has is catching. While full lockups aren't too much of an issue, sometimes the inner layers do seem to catch on an internal piece, which reduces solve fluidity. A similar issue was found by some with the Aosu's miniature counterpart. Although this cube definitely isn't the perfect mini replica of its predecessor, the full-size WuQue, if you absolutely need a 60mm 4x4, then the QiYi WuQue Mini M is the cube for you. After spring compression, performance is decent enough, and will be a good speed for most cubers. However, it just does not match the performance of other full-size 4x4s. If you don't have your heart set on the mini size, just get a magnetic WuQue and spring compress it, or the Aosu GTS M. The links to buy everything I mentioned in this video are in the description. That's all for this video, guys. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, make sure to leave them in the comments section down below. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss an upload. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.